Okay, for 22, they're giving us figure 2 of a tile pattern, and they're saying that the pattern grows linearly. And that means that it follows the form y equals mx plus b. That's what they're saying there. And then it says if figure 5 has 15 tiles, then find a rule for the pattern. So if I made a table, right, figure and number of tiles, right? They don't give us 0, they don't give us 1, but they do give us 2. And figure 2, if I count them, has 6 tiles, right? And they tell us that, that's a pretty terrible line, right? Okay, they tell us that that figure 5 has 15 tiles. So 3, 4, 5 has 15 tiles, right? Okay, so here's our table. So that means I'm going to add something here. I'm adding x, and I'm adding x again, and then I'm adding x again to get to 15. So that means that 6 plus x plus x plus x equals 15. So 6 plus 3x equals 15. And I can solve this equation. I can subtract 6 and get 3x equals 15 minus 6 is 9, and divide by 3 and get x equals 3. So that means I'm adding 3 every time, right? 3, 3, 3. So this is 6, 9, 12, 15. And that means going backwards, I'm going to subtract 3. So this would be 3, and this would be 0. So now, if the equation is written in the form y equals mx plus b, which linear equations are, I know that the b is 0, and what I'm adding each time right here to get to the next one, the 3 is the slope. So I could write the equation, the slope is 3, and the b is 0 plus 0. So the equation is just y equals 3x, right? So the rule for the pattern is y equals 3x. We don't write the plus 0.